Listen, every year, winter comes with two choices. You either slow down, or you use these cold months to build a version of yourself that even summer can't recognize. Winter is not a season. Winter is an arc, a transformation. A time when the world sleeps, but the winters rise. If you want 2026 to be your comeback year, then this winter is your battlefield. So here are 10 winter arc habits that will redesign your mind, your body, and your future. Let's begin. Habit 1. Wake up before the sun. Winter makes you lazy, which is why waking up early becomes your superpower. The world is silent. Distractions are gone. You get the cleanest hours for studying, planning, and working on yourself. Early winter mornings build discipline like nothing else. Habit 2. Take cold or lukewarm showers. Cold water in winter? Yes. It shocks your system, boosts focus, increases blood flow, and toughens your mind. It teaches you to choose discomfort over comfort, and that mindset alone can change your life. Habit 3. Winter reading streak. Pick one book and promise yourself. Every day at least 10 pages. Winter nights plus a book equals the perfect combo to grow your mindset. Small pages, big transformation. Habit 4. Stay hydrated, even when you don't feel thirsty. Winter dries your body silently. Low water equals low energy equals low concentration. Drink 2 to 3 liters daily. Your skin, brain, and immunity will thank you. Habit 5. Winter walks, 10 to 20 minutes daily. Move your body. Walk in the cold air. It improves digestion, reduces stress, burns calories, and increases willpower. Even a slow walk can turn a bad day into a productive one. Habit 6. Warm, clean winter diet. Drink more soups, warm water, chai with less sugar, dry fruits, and seasonal fruits. Avoid junk. Winter arc is about becoming lighter, faster, stronger, not heavier. Fuel your body like you want to win. Habit 7. Mind reset, 10 minutes of silence. Sit down, close your eyes, just breathe. Winters bring overthinking. Silence resets your mind and sharpens your focus. This habit alone makes you mentally unbreakable. Habit 8. Daily mini progress rule. Write one thing you must finish today, one small step toward your big goal. Winter arc equals building consistency. Small progress every day becomes massive growth by the next season. Habit 9. Skill building arc. Use winter to learn a money-making skill. Excel, PowerPoint, editing, coding, digital freelancing, trading basics, communication. Choose one skill, practice daily, become unstoppable by summer. Habit 10. Fix your sleep pattern. Winter destroys sleep cycles. Late nights, late mornings. If you want growth, you need recovery. Sleep 7 to 8 hours at the same time daily. Sleep early and wake up early. Deep sleep equals deep focus. Your winter habits shape your entire year. This winter is not just cold. It's your training season. While others stay under a blanket, you'll be building discipline. While others waste time scrolling, you'll level up your mind. While others wait for summer, you'll already be ahead. Your future self is watching, and he's proud of the version you are becoming. So choose one habit, start today, comment which habit you start today, and make this winter your transformation arc. If you want more powerful videos like this, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a winter comeback.